traffic. Enjoy. We got plenty of it.
Hello? Oh, yes, sir. No, I filed my TPS report yesterday. Yes, sir. I'll be there right away.
Looks like you could use a new mirror. I got a buddy that could hook you up if you want.
No, I'm member of Silver Star Service Team at dealer. VIP shuttle, free Wall Street Journal. Thanks anyway.
Well, if you want to be a Silver Star chump, suit yourself. That free newspaper's gonna cost you $700 by the time the dealer marks up the mirror.
Okay, thanks for everything.
We interrupt this program. This is a national emergency. Important information will follow.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. National emergency message. The President of the United States has declared a national state of emergency for the entire country, including all overseas dependencies and the Commonwealth of Puerto Rico. A deadly yearly event will take place shortly. The annual supermoon will occur. The supermoon will turn people into werewolf creatures. These werewolves are extremely dangerous and will kill without hesitation. Getting bitten by a werewolf will result in transformation into a werewolf. Exposure to moonlight will result in transformation into a werewolf. For your safety, take the following actions: barricade your home. Seek shelter in a secured room. Get a firearm and use it by all means. Have enough food, water, and medical supplies to last until sunrise. Specialized military teams will be combating the werewolf threat. Starting now and lasting until sunrise, all emergency services will be suspended. Any injuries must be treated at home, as all hospitals will be closed until sunrise. You should stay quiet indoors. Werewolves have extremely sensitive hearing. Write notes, use sign language, or send text messages for communication. This state of national emergency will last until tomorrow morning. Shut off your television immediately. Prepare to survive. This message will repeat. The emergency alert system has been activated.